The work of the village medicine man. Medicine men and modern doctors in most urban and suburban areas throughout the world. Sick people are taken to the doctor's office or the hospital of treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in method is as a result of the fake disease to the modern scientific minus pivot as sometimes natural. It is caused by viruses, bacteria, and other small things that we can see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemy, and should treat the specific disease. A medicine man, however, treat the whole person and open to patient, the family and friends as well. Prevention, prevention of disease. Of course, there might be not need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when and how to relax and like a medicine man. On the other hand, tells his patients to wear amulet special necklaces for protection against bad spirits nevertheless in both village and urban societies. People do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, but ask about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headaches, stomach aches, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity and method in there. The doctor next step is to give blood tests, take X-rays, etc. While the medicine man involves a supernatural method, he might ask the patient about his dreams, use astrology to find a cause of the problem in the stars, or go into a trance, a condition of deep concentration in which it doesn't function normally, in and before the content spirit or other being outside the words. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure, in modern medicine, the solution usually means one or more of the following. The same method that are used for prevention, helpful food, rest, exercise. Perhaps warm better, bed or message. Drug or surgery, likewise. Full medicine included some of the same cures is in the diagnosis. However, a medicine man also uses a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are orchism and soul hunts. Exorcism is based on the belief the disease is caused by bad spirits. This is an exorcised ceremony. The medicine perform a number of traditional activities to take the evil being out of the victim body. Song, dance, and religious prayer are part of the exercise, and Zulhan include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to persuade the victim souls, which are believed to have left the bodies they return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Nembu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of the relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes to the entire body of the person Who is the target of the anger and to treat disease? When the medicine man decides which body part contained the evil tooth, he called together the victim's relatives and friends to watch a ceremony, at the end of the which he removes it from the patient a tooth, arm, leg, stomach, etc. Although the patient and villager now know has happened that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured and debut ceremony is typical of treatments around the world in which stones, insects, or small spears are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that disproves the effectiveness of such methods, the fact remains that full treatments are often successful. In many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatments and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in them believe that deeply in the symbol. Even Western physicians agree that patients of the faith believe in God their doctor. The drug they take, image, or symbol will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, these communal meetings provide socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. So that the psychological problem can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the strange part of the ceremonies produce certain chemical in the body, with the word the health card is this finite. Finally, many of the medicinal natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learned from the method for tribal medicine,